Welcome to physics class. So what will happen is we go through the problem. You can pause and read the problem, and then says explain the term projectile motion. So projectile motion is when an object is moving under the influence of gravity, or gravitational force only. And then constant velocity, there we have to answer the second question, is it a free fall? And then the answer is no, it's not on free fall, because many forces are acting on it, and also because of the constant speed, which is the net force, is not equals to 0 and that situation. And then because of the constant velocity as well. Alright, so the other thing we look at VI, which is 1.2 meter per second. Change in displacement is going to be 22 meters. And we also look at the informations that we have, and a vector, taking vector decision, down as positive, so everything is going down. G is going to be positive, 9.8 meter per second squared. And then what other values do we have? We also have VI, which is 1.2. VI is 1.2 meter per second. Then from there we have to find change in T. So change in T we don't know. We should come up with an idea. So as it moves from that point, 22 meters from up going down, change in T is what we need to find out. So we are going to use the equation, which is change in Y is equals to VI multiplied by change in T plus half, we have G, change in time, squared, and that will give us change in Y is 22 meters, change in Y, that's 22 meters. That's part of the data missing up there before we solved it, but we did know that there's 22 meters, that's displacement. And then we have 1.2 VI, change in time we don't know, plus a half, and then that is 9.8, and then that is change in T squared. Then from there we need to use that will give us 4.9. So we simplify the equation above. That will be 4.9 T squared plus 1.2 change in T, and then minus 22 to give us 0. And then we have to that is 4.9 is A, 1.2 is B, and negative 22 is C. So change in T is going to be using quadratic equation, because it can't factor that, and then that will be B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So we need to know that we have change in T is equals to what? So A is going to be 4.9, and then we have B, which is 1.2, and then we have C, which is negative 22. So from those informations we have change in T is equals to negative 1.2 for negative B, plus or minus 1.2 squared minus 4A is 4.9, and then our C is negative 22. All that under the root, and then 4.9. Okay, and then our answer will be we have negative 1.2 plus or minus, all that in bracket gives us 432.64 divided by 9.8. And then from there we have change in T, which is negative 1.2 plus or minus, we use the plus because time cannot be negative. So we don't have negative time, so it has to be a positive value. So we look which values will give us positive. That will be negative 1.2 plus root 432.64 divided by 9.8. So change in T will be 2 seconds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe.